Welcome, radio astronomy scholars. I'm John. I'm part of the DSPIRA team. We're here today in the makerspace at West Virginia University, home of the DSPIRA program. That's digital signal processing in radio astronomy. The two skills you're going to be using: radio astronomy, building the horn; digital signal processing, analyzing the data you're going to collect from the galaxy that the horn allows you to do. But let me give you a quick overview of the part we're going to be working on over the next few days, which is building the telescope. Now that consists of three parts, and hopefully you've already been to the store to buy the materials that you need. Hopefully you've got the foam insulation that you're going to be cutting into pieces to build the cone, the F-style pink and oblong shape that we're going to use to build the receiver. You can see we're going to make some modifications. We're going to take the bottom off and open up a hole, seal off the top, and as you can see, we're going to put an antenna on the inside. That's the connector that'll go on the outside. So as those radio waves from the sky come in, we can collect them in the can and move that information to your laptop computer so you can actually see what's happening. Pretty exciting stuff. And of course, lastly, we're going to have to build the stand itself so that can support the telescope so you can point it, in essence, in different directions. So that's going to be our work. Three separate construction projects. So you're going to split this up as a team: the cone, the can, and the stand. I'll have construction videos for you on each one of these that you'll be able to watch on our YouTube channel. But for now, I just want to say thank you on behalf of the entire team here for taking on this exciting project. When it's done, you're going to get to learn a lot more than you ever knew on all the exciting things going on outside in the Milky Way galaxy where we live. Bye for now. See you real soon on Get Started on Construction.